Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this video, we're going to learn how to modify a list using remove, pop, delete, or del and clear functions in Python. So basically, when we are calling the remove function, we need to put one item in parentheses, and it is going to remove the first occurrence of the item that is mentioned in parentheses. Then we can have the pop function. It is going to remove the item at the specific index. So in the parentheses, we can type down the index, or the last item is going to be removed if no index is specified in parentheses. Then we are having the del keyword, the delete keyword it means, and then the list name, and then the index in a square brackets. It is going to delete the item at the specific index. And finally, we can have the clear function that is going to remove all elements from the list. Let me illustrate it with an example. So we would like to write a program to remove banana, pop the last item, which is this function here, delete the first item, and then clear the list. Okay, to do that, I'm having one list called fruit, and it is containing of four elements. It is containing four elements: apple, banana, cherry, and orange. So it says that use the remove function to remove banana. To do that, I'm typing down the name of my list dot remove, and in parentheses, as indicated here, we need to type down the name of the item. So I'm typing down the name of the item, remove banana. So banana is typing down here, and now I'm printing out the fruit list here. So let me comment these parts because we're going to uncomment them step by step. So I'm removing banana from the list, and then I'm printing out the list. So I expect to see apple, cherry, and orange when I'm printing out the fruit list after this modification. So this banana must have been removed, must be removed. So we are seeing apple, cherry, and orange. Indeed, this remove function helped us to remove the banana string from this list. Then we are having the pop function here. So it says pop the last item. So we learned that pop can have some index in the parentheses. So if we indicate the index in the parentheses, it is going to specifically remove the item at that index. Or if we do not indicate an index in parentheses using the pop function, it is going to by default remove the last item. And it says pop the last item, so it means that we are not needing to have any index in the parentheses. So I'm typing down the name of the list, then dot pop, and with nothing in the parentheses, so it is going to remove the last element, which is orange here. So this is our last version of the list: apple, cherry, and orange. And then I'm calling the pop function with no index in the parentheses, so it is going to by default remove the last item, which is orange here. So we expect to see our list containing only apple and cherry when we are going to call this fruit list one more time and print the output. So when I run this code, we see yes, apple and cherry. So orange is now removed after using the pop function for the fruit list. Okay, then it says delete the first item. But how do we do that? So this is the syntax for using the delete function, or del. So del, then space, name of the list, and in square brackets we are going to type down the index of the item that we want to be deleted. So here we are having the code del keyword, the name of the list is fruits, and we want to delete the first item as the problem is stating here. So the first item is having index 0. I'm removing the first item and I'm printing out the list fruit one more time. So when I call When I run this code, the last version of my list was containing apple and cherry, and then I del the first item of the fruits list, so I expect not to see the apple anymore when I run the code and see only cherry, because using this we remove the first element of this list. So yes, we are seeing only cherry in the output after we are removing the first element of the fruits list using the del keyword. Okay, after that it is asking us to clear the list. In order to clear the list, we are having the fruits dot clear and nothing in parentheses, and we are printing out the fruit list one more time, and we expect to see nothing in the list, so we are clearing the list and there will be no item in the list after calling the clear function for the fruits list. So let me run the code one more time. Yes, we see an empty list here. So in this coding exercise, we learned how to modify a list using remove, pop, del, and clear function. Thank you for watching.